Welcome to Unigraphics tutorials. In this tutorial, we will know about different versions of the Unigraphics software, which is also known as Siemens NX or Unigraphics NX. So we have index for this version of this software, like the name is given here, the name and version, then the version history value and the releasing year. So we have the latest version that is available for us is the Siemens NX 10 that was released in year 2015, and the oldest version that is available is the UG NX, that is the version value is 5 and was released in 2007. After that we have versions like UG NX 6, 7, 7.5, 8 and 8.5. After the version 8.5, its name was changed to Siemens NX, that is NX 9 and NX 10. In this course of Unigraphics, we have used the version that is the Siemens NX 9.0 and also the version 10.0. You can learn this course in the versions 7, 7.5 and above.